Hi there. This morning we are going to install a MoreSpace stand on our wooden deck. It's fast and it's easy. First, choose where you're putting the stand. With extra inserts, you can actually move your umbrella around. Now attach the drill bit that comes with your stand into your drill and drill straight down. Now that you have exactly the right sized hole, drop the insert into it. Take a Phillips screwdriver, that's the one with the star point on the end, and screw in the 3 screws that are in your package. There you go. In just a few minutes, the insert is in. It's nice and flat. It looks attractive even with nothing in it. Now we're going to put in the MoreSpace stand. It simply screws in. It's nice and strong. That stand is fiberglass and nylon. It's not going anywhere. Now, to put your pole in, you simply loosen the grip and drop the pole in. Tighten the grip, and your umbrella, flagpole, laundry tree, or anything else you need a stand for is all ready to go. Enjoy!